garden and 5G connectivity. Let's open it up. Inside, looks like we've got a box here designed by Xiaomi. Opening that, our SIM ejection tool, our standard booklets, and nice, they include a clear case for the phone. Next is our Xiaomi 12 Pro, and taking a quick look, there's some of the features. 15 megapixel camera array, the 120 watt charging or 50 watt wireless charging, both just absolutely crazy. I'm gonna set the phone to the side for just a second. Continuing on through, there is that 120 watt charging brick, and just a quick close up